It's Cash Day, the rock star.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. It's your girl Chilleeee, the Rockstar, of course. But I know you're here for a specific reason. You're here to figure out, why am I so crazy, right? As you can see by the title, this is the part one of how I moved from Atlanta to LA by car. Like, literally drove cross country. I'm laughing because I think I lost my mind a little bit. But y'all can see the background. The weather is nice. Things are great. I'm happy. I'm definitely happy for this move. But before we get into the actual move, right, I gotta tell y'all about the pre-move. So, okay, the pre-move, guys. I really felt like this move had to have happened for me to get to another level in my career. As you guys know, I went from salon assistant at Snob Life to independent contractor with a little bit of clients to owning my own salon for 4 years. And I just feel like there was a glass ceiling above me. Like, yes, I was doing great things in hot Atlanta. I was doing great things there, but it was just seeming like I couldn't push past this specific point in which I wanted to be my better self, right? So I decided that in order to elevate my career, in order to become the woman that I wanted to become, I had to make LA my home and make it a part of my journey. I don't know how long I'll be here, guys, but I'm definitely here. So the pre-move was a lot of mental work, was a lot of like preparation, and I feel like God told me to just start over, right? And I even cried, guys. I cried getting rid of my things. But I had this space where it was just a lot of things in it, and I wasn't about to haul all of this stuff to LA. Like, no way. I feel like some of those things associated with other people that I wanted to get rid of, and God wanted to get rid of them too, because they are not in my lives, right? We got rid of those old ex gifts. Y'all need to get rid of your ex's gift. I don't care how cute it is. I don't care how good it is. Get rid of it, thing. Okay? But God literally told me to get rid of everything. And then when I thought I got rid of everything, which you'll see, I'm gonna put it in here somewhere, but when I thought I got rid of everything, God told me, girl, no, I said get rid of it all. Get rid of everything. Keep 5 things, 5 items from each category in which you really need. And that's kind of what I did. So the gag is we are decluttering, and it looks like I cannot have this extensive wardrobe, because God said let go, and I am holding on for dear life. I am choking the things, you know? Okay, I just gave away my Rock Band tee. It had glitter beetle letters. Okay, it's going in a bag.
I just saw someone like put a note on Instagram. They were like, God can't feel what's already full.
Exactly. That's how I know I'm supposed to let go, though.
Yeah.
Like, my friend prayed and I just started crying. Like, she's like, release it, you know. So yes, this stuff has to go. Ridiculousness. Like, do I really need all of these socks? I have 2 feet, guys. It's like, really, bro? Do those socks really need to go to LA? Like, come on. Okay, declutter time. Bye. Are you gonna help me with my shoes? Maybe. It's past Dage's bedtime. And to know me is to know I'm a girl for real. Like, I got a lot of things. I have a lot of stuff, y'all. But I really got rid of everything. And this little bit that you see right now is all that I took with me to LA. Like, no couch, no furniture, no bed, like no nothing. Okay? Am I freaking out a little bit? Yes. Am I on an air mattress right now? Yes. Because it's only been 5 days since I've been here. And nothing comes in the mail that fast. Not even Amazon anymore. Prime need to get it together. But anyway, I got to celebrate with my friends. Like, OMG. We went to the Possibly Sex party And no, it was not a sex party. I don't know why they named it that, but that ain't none of my business. But it was a great party. My boy Nas was on the 1s and 2s, mixing it up, and we had a ball. Just check out the clips, okay?
So we just left the
Shamar, please.
That purse. I gotta get in the
Wait, do I got my purse?
I gotta get in the video.
Everybody has everything, right?
Yeah. Everybody got their
We got
stuff.
phones,
Phone.
purse,
2 times.
IDs, keys.
It should be in the
2
purse.
times. No, period.
Put me in the video.
2 times is right, baby.
I'm in the back.
Okay, so we just leaving 30 bar.
I know y'all hear the voice, the raspy ass
I was
voice.
screaming.
Yes,
my
because
ass off.
I was yelling.
Yeah.
It was a time. We had a time. That was cute.
Yeah. We was doing the Dougie by ourselves, but
Right, by ourselves.
y'all know we the party.
Always.
Always.
We the life. Absolutely.
This you? What the hell is this?
No, that's the
This me.
That's my love.
Put it on the Bluetooth. It's on the Bluetooth. No, it's not. It's on your phone.
It's on the Bluetooth. How phone
Turn it up. Turn it up. It's all the way up. That's all the way up. Yeah, that's all the way up.
What's
She
the
said, no,
She said, wait.
Let me tell y'all something, cause
That voice killer, hello.
that voice,
Now that I'm just here playing
that voice get a little red.
What number you got, homie? Why is it so foggy?
What are we doing?
That voice be like, what the fuck is y'all doing?
How they supposed to do this?
It's not even giving man.
It's not.
It's not giving me.
Stop.
Y'all a minute.
Why are you crying, Nala? Why are you crying?
Oh my God, bitch. I wanna go home, Lord. My shit break.
Hey, yo. Get in the car. What'd you say? Get in the car.
Get in the car.
Wait, I'm dirty. Get in the car.
Get in the car.
I'm coming to get my knives tomorrow. I'm getting my ninja knives.
You need to come before then.
No.
Look at my head.
Before then.
Look at my head.
It's okay, babe. It's going to my boat.
Before then is right now.
What happened?
I gotta get my
She gotta get the knives.
Today?
No, I'm coming back tomorrow for this. I ain't going up them stairs right now. Hell no.
Give me a hug. See y'all. Love y'all. I'll see y'all. Make sure y'all call me without hurt. Absolutely.
So y'all see, my girl broke her heel. My girl, like, first of all, we partied like it was 2016. I'm showing my age, but we partied like it was 2016 at the college party, sweating our hair out, leave outs looking crazy. Yo, we was toe up from the flow up, and guess I only had 3 glasses of wine. Now I know that my maximum is 2, because the night before that, the night before the party, I had 4 glasses blacked out. I don't know, mind your business. I shouldn't have told you that, but a time was had. I'm so excited to share this pre-move with y'all, like the party part, like how I celebrated with my friends, and how I'm just gonna miss them so much, but they understand I am only a flight away. And to my clients, I am only a flight away, okay? But thank you everyone that came out and celebrated with me. I love y'all so much. Look, complete the heart, please. Complete the heart. I just love y'all so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Like, as you can see in the clips, we had fun. Okay, but if you want to hear part 2, you want to see more adventures with me, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you so much for watching. Love y'all. Bye.